Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I'm really sorry for not being able to upload recently. Things have kind of been crazy, and I kind of couldn't make any videos because the people on Discord always, always, always. My friends are really annoying on Discord, so So I have these two Discord servers that I'm on a lot, and they're both owned by some really annoying people. This is the owner of this, and this is the owner of this. And as you can see in here, if you go to spam in chat, you can see all this. This guy's really annoying, because it's like all he says. But today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use one of these. And it looks pretty simple how to use it, but with all the enchants that we have in our game, like, it's questionable. Like sharpness 100, mending 30. And like Bane of Arthropods, 250, and Sweeping Edge 250. There's a lot of confusing enchants, and with that, there's confusing gameplay. So, we got this. And if you're like a normal Minecraft player, you're like, okay, this is just a grindstone. It's normal and super easy to use. You just put an enchanted item in, and it comes out not unenchanted. But I'm going to use this. And see how there's a bunch of this stuff? I'm not just going to take that out. So, if I press this, the only enchant on it will be this. Whatever has this black thing. Curse of Stickiness. But no, I don't want Curse of Stickiness on it. So, I'm going to take that off. And then it's an unenchanted rainbow armor. But if I do that, and then do all this, it won't be. That's normal. Well, not normal, but that's what I want it to be. And so technically, for all of this red or black dot things, okay, so we'll do this. So the last thing is blast protection. But with this, I press that, so now the enchant is back on it. So the last thing is Frostwalker, and it's for any enchantment. But like, if you're trying to unenchant books, like books that have multiple enchants on it and not just one enchant, like all these, like books that have like 40 enchant or like 4 to 10 enchants or something on them. Where are all my I'm just gonna take these two, go back. It's gonna take those two and go back to where it originally was. Okay. This was not supposed to be part of the video, but okay. So now, you want to get the armor enchant. So you press blast protection, and then sell books. No one wants level 25. No one wants level 20 armor. I'm going to actually. Let's just pretend this is. Let's just pretend this is this. So, we go to a world like this. Level 30 armor. You see blast protection down here. Frick, it's out of rubies. Okay. Hopefully this is better. No, it's not. Frick, I forgot to start the music. Didn't even know this was a thing. Never mind, I did. Alright, blast protection. So I'm going to sell it for 185 rubies. So that's basically what the stuff is for. what the grindstone is for and how you use it. But bye guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you like this video, I will be uploading some more stuff. But the reason why I haven't really been uploading a lot is because, I never have time, and it's never quiet without me hearing a bunch of dings from Discord because of my friends. And I was in an event earlier, and stuff, and it was like a Discord event though. But yeah, I will try to be uploading more for you guys, but bye. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, subscribe, comment, and please give me more video ideas. Although I have already started like 3 or 4 series. But yeah, bye guys. And also go to my shop, because there is a mending book for only 190 for only 950 rubies. So yeah, and I'm going to be restocking that almost daily. So yeah.